welcome back to Stroll with me. So here I am again with another video. So today I am at Alexander Platz. As you can see on my back side, there are many people waiting in line, standing. It's all because it's not only weekend but it's also summer sale. So in Europe there are two big sales. One is the summer sale, which comes during the summer, usually in the month of July, and another one there is also a winter sale which comes in February. So most of the people shop in for the very big brands and also in many other stores in this month during these two seasons. So let's go and see and explore all the stores. What are the offers going on?
Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want.
Okay guys, I'm back home after a hectic day, after shopping a lot, and I don't think it's a lot because already last month we went on a trip and we shopped a lot for it, but still today we took few things, especially these are not for me, but Aftab has shopped something. So I just wanted to show you the prices, how much it will cost you when you take during the normal days and how much it costed me when I took it during the sale. So just a rough idea so that you always can keep in mind that there are these two big sales that you always have to look for and go for shopping. So the first thing is the Jack and John's t-shirts. So yeah, Aftab has took this t-shirt from Jack and John's, and the usual price of this t-shirt is 14 euro, but as it was offer he got it an 8 euros, so which is really good price, and the Jack and John's quality is really good. So then he also took this formal shirt. The material is really good, very soft when you touch it. The usual price is 30 euro for this formal shirt, but now it costed us 10 euro. So I mean, these things were almost gone when we went to Jack and Jonas, but yeah, luckily we got the t-shirt that Aftab really liked. We also took a perfume, and this is from Calvin Klein from Galleria Mall, and the usual price of this perfume is 80, and on offer we got it for 25, plus we took the Galleria card. That's why we got again again an offer on it, so 25. So 80 and 25, it's really a huge difference. So yeah, this one. And I purchased something from Swarovski. It is a gift for somebody, and Also, I got an offer on this. There was already offer on the product, and on top of that again I got 15%. So yeah, from Swarovski. And then we also got jeans from H&M. The usual price of this jeans is 40 euro, but we got it for 19 euro. So yeah. And the final things that I want to show you, I always pick this kind of, you know, beautiful sets from Douglas, gift sets, to gift these when I go back to India. So these are like they are really eye-catching when you look at and the quality of Douglas products. I always like the Douglas products. So, and this Douglas is not available in India, so that's why I always shop from Douglas when I'm going home. I mean, I take those products during the sale, and when I go home I take them. So the original price of this is 15 euro, and I got it for 7 euro during the offer. So I just took those two beautiful gift sets. Those are like all body wash. So yeah, basically that's it. And also I took a hand cream from Douglas. Again, it is around 3 euro normal price, and I got it for 1 euro. So yeah, and also I also took this in the offer. These are muffin tray to bake some muffins. It was also under offer from one of the stores. So yes guys, yeah, the last thing is again this one. I don't think it's under the offer, but it's did cheaply 1.5 to, you know, serve the rotis in it. So yes guys, so I don't really wanted to show you like what I have purchased today, but the main reason to show you all of this are, as you can compare the difference between the prices. This same product is gonna cost you a lot when you're gonna take during the normal days, but during the summer sale they are for their dead cheap price, and you have to definitely, you know, shop during the summer sale and the winter sales so that you can save a lot of money. So that's all for this today guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope this was useful for you. If you like this video, then definitely don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. See you again with another interesting video next week. Bye.